Scott Watson.
Why do you talk to me? Don't talk to me. You'll only make me frail. Only make me fail.
Scott Watson.